guys for tuning back in to another one today. It's your girl Sheba, also known as Bare Skin and Lips, and this is going to be another crochet video today, you guys. So I'm kind of moving away from the braids, so this is a no tension, no cornrow, lazy crochet video style, but with a little bit of a twist, just because I wanted to add some parts in here. So we have a few parts in this piece, and she's very versatile, so you can kind of rock her how you want. This is the end look. I always start with the end look, you guys, so you can kind of rock this style as you please. Okay, again, there is multiple parts that you can use in here. So here is a part you can rock here. There is a middle part, right? You can rock that way if you like, and then there's this part here as well that you can rock. Okay, and of course you have your deep side part. I love this look, very versatile. All of the hair details and all of that will be in the description box, and stay tuned for the instructional video, you guys. I appreciate you if you have not done so. Do that, okay? Subscribe. Every week I'm dropping something new just for you guys. Let's check out the video. Alright, you guys, so we are about to go ahead and kick this off. This is the starting point for me. I'm just going to kind of show you how I parted and everything. So this is two side parts. I know these parts, you guys, are not very neat, but you know, don't prosecute me, okay? There's a part there at the top that's separating the front portion to the back, and I'm just going to speed this up, okay, so I'm just not taking up all of our time. But right now you're just kind of seeing how I did the parts for the top, okay? And so what I'm pretty much doing is just kind of figuring out right now where I want the parts to be, and yeah, we're going from there. Once I kind of figure out how I'm gonna lay this, you guys, I'm pretty much just gonna put some rubber bands towards the end of each part, plait these parts up, and pull them back as you see here, okay? So have her going back into just one ponytail. Now, if I did want to have a very high ponytail, I would not do the ball. I would do it differently, but for this particular style, I braided the ends and put her in a ponytail towards the back. I'm going to also braid that back portion and yeah, put it in a knot, and we're going to crochet around that knot. Okay, now you're noticing that my sides are left out. That is because I have 4C hair. It is a rough texture, and I will do that later. So the hair that I'm using is what you see here, ladies. It is Outre Ocean Wave Loop 14 inch. It is in a 1B30 for the color. And I love this hair. This is a different version than what I used before, but I did end up liking it for this look, okay? And again, it already comes pre-looped, so I'm just kind of separating each loop, and I'm going to start to crochet in the front, okay? And the reason I'm starting in the front is because, again, I'm going to wait till I finish the front portion of my hair, and then I'm going to go back in and gel down my sides, and then I'm going to crochet the back portion of my hair once I have my sides laid down. And again, I figured I was going to do it this way because if I went ahead and just tried to gel my sides from the beginning, I just felt like they were going to creep back up, creep. Man, girl, ladies, this hair is something else. So I said once I get to the end, I'll go ahead and lay her down and wrap her up and see if I get a better outcome. And so that's what I did, and I'm kind of happy with how I did it. I got 4 packs of hair for this. Of course, I did not use the entire 4 packs. It was just I'd rather have more than not enough. I have definitely had not enough, and it's just not what's up. Especially if this hair is not sold in your local beauty salon, you know what I'm saying? So Yeah, so what you're seeing right now is me just going section by section where the parts are, and I'm going to go ahead and crochet this in. And this went by pretty quick, you guys. I want to say this took about 2 hours, but again, I did take breaks and things like that, so it probably won't take you that long. Also, if you know you're not going to need, if you don't like the real thick hair look and you just want it a lot thinner, then you're definitely not going to take that much time either. Alright, so this is the end of the crochet portion. I'm about to go ahead and cut her up to my own liking. It was a lot thicker than what I wanted her to be for this style. I used a little bit over 3 packs, and I probably didn't even have to use that much. But if you have any kind of concern with that ball in the back, you guys, I know you've seen it just a little bit earlier. It's going to be so full in the back, you're not going to have to worry about that. You can feel it, but people can't see it, okay? So I'm just trimming her around my face, kind of contouring it the way that I like it. I'm also taking a lot of the thickness out as well, okay? And I want to just kind of thin it out just a tad. Now I'm only cutting the very front portion. You see I have the back portion still in the back, and I'll work on that last once I kind of get the length that I want on the side. Now I do want you to make this your own, you guys. You can do this if you wanted to keep it longer, more asymmetrical, or even shorter, more of a bob look. I think it would look good either way. I just kind of started with this length. I do plan on cutting it and trimming it as I wear her longer, just for a different look, okay? I like to get as many looks out of one style as I possibly can, okay? But for now, I think I'm going to stay to this length here, and then I'm going to trim off the back pretty evenly, and yeah, that's it. You guys, I always say this, if you have any comments or questions, I love them. Make sure that you leave them below, okay? I do try to respond to them as soon as I possibly can, and be as descriptive in my responses as I can as well, okay? So you're not going to get a customized answer from me. Sometimes I go overboard, but it's just me. I like to be thorough in anything that I'm doing, and do it to the best of my ability. So leave those comments for you, girl, so I can hit you back up. Again, make sure that you share the content, like it. If you like the video and the style, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Again, every week I'm bringing something new just for you. What you see me doing right now is just showing you the different parts. Again, there is a middle part, a side part for each side, and then of course we have the deep side parts, okay, which is the starting point. I don't plan on wearing this style very long, but man, you guys, I loved it. It turned out cute, and the look that I was going for, which the shaved sides without actually shaving the sides, worked out well, okay? Until the next time, you guys, be a blessing to someone else. You guys be kind, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.